Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. In today's video we're going to be doing a set that gives a little Y2k and a little springy vibes. Yeah, I didn't really know what to name this set, so just named it Y2k Summer Nails, and I feel like it kind of gives that. So yeah, the acrylic that I'm using, as you can see, is Young Nails Cover Pink. And I'm sorry, Young Nails, but I'm just not fucking with you no more. Like, I just absolutely hate this acrylic now. It's too runny. It's too, I don't know. I just like Valentino better. I feel like I'm becoming a Valentino girly. But I also want to try not polish before I start screaming at, because I've been seeing a lot of people use not polish and the texture is giving. So I want to try that out first before I start screaming I'm a Valentino girly. But Young Nails is at the bottom of the barrel for me. Sorry to, that's just my opinion. Today I am also using my husband's microphone. So we'll know if he fully watches my videos. Because if he does, he is going to be very tight. He is not gonna like the fact that I'm using his microphone. I have a, what is it called? A blue snowball microphone or something, and I feel like it's not bad, but it's not as good as my husband's microphone. He has like a podcast microphone, and I feel like this is what I need because I talk very low. Like, yeah, the only time I talk loud is when I'm excited or when I'm about to bash somebody's face in, like when I'm mad. Other than that, I talk very low, and I try to talk loud for the sake of the voiceovers, but I just can't, because I be chilling, I'm relaxing, and I'm making a voiceover, But yeah, anyways, I think it sounds better. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I also wanted to say how much I love the nail community. You guys are so supportive and so loving, and like, I'm just not used to that for real. Like, where I'm from, that's not normal. Like, honestly, where I'm from, that is not normal at all. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to say that I appreciate you guys. You guys really make it a pleasure to be doing this type of stuff. As a stay-at-home mom, I'm doing this to eventually make money. Like, even if I wasn't making content, I would still be doing nails because I enjoy doing nails. I feel like it's my creative outlet in a way. So me recording, me editing, and doing all of that is to eventually make money. And being a part of a great community just makes it like 10 times better. So yeah, but my baby is crying, so I'm going to leave it off here and let you guys watch the rest of the video. Please let me know what you guys think about this set in the comments down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it, that's all.
I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So confused, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've been having the best on earth. Take you, show you something, give you more than words. We've been having this place on earth. Take you. Please be don't just be nothing to me. I want you to give it to me, yeah. Please be don't just be nothing to me. I want you to give it to me, yeah.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, purple, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for waking up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it like on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time for making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it, that's on. Take you there, I'll take